was craving for some burgers, so I got some A&W. Can you guys guess how much I paid for fries, for some drink, and this giant, well, I wouldn't say giant, but this massive burger is? Look at it. My mouth is water falling. Fries. Some root beer. Can we just take a moment to appreciate this? Look at that. My mouth is water falling. Okay, let's take a bite. You guys, it's so juicy. Look at that. Look how juicy the meat is. And you guys know me. Of course, we're gonna add some fries into the burger just to make it extra. So for the total, I paid $11.29 for all of this. I think that's a good price.